Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. And today we're going to be talking about the company Healthcare Administrative Partners. They have some positions that you're available to work remote. As of right now, they have 7 positions available. I'm going to be focusing on Reimbursement Coordinator, but they also have Medical Billing Coordinator as well as other remote work from home jobs. But Reimbursement Coordinator, the Reimbursement Coordinator is responsible to ensure and complete an accurate deposits and postings while acting as the primary liaison between healthcare administrative partners and other HAP functional teams. So essential functions, you'll be able to handle all reimbursement duties for at least one client with minimal complexity and training to receive full client load, coordinate with client, staff, and supervisor to resolve payment questions and issues, internal departments within 24 to 48 hours, verify payment postings are performed accurately and timely for all payments, denials, refunds, recoupments, adjustments, and corresponds daily, review daily bank deposit, which include bank statements, emails from client, and all other methods client provides deposit information, and ensure all appropriate payments and electronic fund transfers are properly recorded on a spreadsheet, reconcile daily and monthly postings against audit journals, balancing to cash logs and bank statements, monitor outstanding variance of unposted cash to ensure end of month deadline can be met, reporting to supervisor when variance is greater than 48 hours of unposted cash, monitor and balance payment and cash logs, resolve all balancing issues between payment log and deposit to centricity and bank statements. You work with reimbursement liaison to resolve complex ARC issues, resolve all postings in holding account following unapplied account process, run and work ERA reconciliation monthly, run and work discredit report monthly. Some additional functions will be provide posting/balancing documentation to a supervisor as requested, provide client updates of the cash report, take accountability for personal productivity and quality output, develop and implement improvement plans when output fails to meet targets, maintain target or higher productivity ratings consistently, take and pass all training courses as assigned by HAP within given deadlines. So some knowledge and skills that they're looking for is demonstrated problem-solving skills, strong decision-making ability, proficiency in numeric and alpha keypads, ability to solve complex and mathematical computations, strong oral and written communication skills, proficiency in Microsoft applications including Word, Excel, and Outlook, ability to work under deadlines and time restraints, ability to plan, organize, and prioritize work independently within minimum supervision, ability to read, interpret, and carry out oral and written instructions, have strong understanding of operating and personal computer system navigation, and good data entry skills, ability to accept and utilize supervisory feedback to a positive manner, demonstrated understanding and compliance with HIPAA privacy requirements. So the education and work experience that they do require is a high school diploma or GED. Physical and emotional requirements, ability to meet HAP's attendance standards, ability to sit for long periods of time of focused work, ability to maintain a calm demeanor and project positive attitude, project and maintain professional demeanor, and ability to handle stress appropriately. There's a full-time position as a reimbursement coordinator. You work remotely. It pays between $15 to $18 an hour, and it does include some benefits such as 401k matching, dental, health, and life and vision insurance, paid time off, and flexible spending account. So if this sounds like the perfect situation and job for you, I'll put the link right below in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have the best remote work from home job for you, because we do post 5 to 7 job leads for you every single day. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you on the next. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.